If finding a niche for your Amazon site still seems like a hard thing to do, you would want to realize that niches are all around you. Just look around you right now and you will find lots of ideas. What kind of clothes are you wearing right now? What kind of threads are they woven from? You could build an entire site just around threads and sell everything from threads to embroidery machines on it. What kind of belt are you wearing? What's the design of the buckle? You could build an entire site just around belt buckles. There are so many kinds of them. What kind of furniture do you see around you? Furniture is a very, very big niche. You could build several sites related to various kinds of furniture, like patio furniture and so on. What kind of cleaning products do you use in your house? You could build several sites around various types of cleaning products. Do you have photo frames on your walls? You could build a site around photo frames. What kind of products do you tend to buy on impulse while shopping? Do you have pets? Pets is again a very big niche. Dog collars, pet magnets, dog playpens, pet hair removers, potty trainers, and so on. The list of niches is almost endless. Just look around the house. Almost everything you see is a good candidate for a niche site idea. Garbage bins, kitchen bags, kitchen islands, backsplashes, paperweights, pressure cookers, ovens, flooring tiles, wash basins, kitchen and bathroom faucets, computer peripherals. You get the idea. Generating niche ideas is possibly the easiest thing in the whole process of building Amazon affiliate sites. Amazon is such a big marketplace that almost everything you can possibly think of is already being sold there.